Hello and welcome. Welcome to Yoga Nidra Soundscape. I don't know if you're watching this on replay or whether you are live with me. My name is Dionne Roberts and I am a healing artist. The Yoga Nidras that I create are specifically themed rather than abstract. And I take my inspiration from everything that goes on around us. Typically, my work is sometimes seasonal and all comes from a healing modality because I am a therapist as well. Also comes from my life experience and that of others. At the time of making this video, in our current times, we are dealing with the coronavirus. So the work that I am creating at present is all to do with the health of the immune system so that our body is strong in preparation or as prevention for catching the virus. So I'm just giving you this introduction as we await people to arrive, those that are coming live. And if you are already here, if you'd like to say hi, then please do so. By saying hi, I know that I will know whether you know my work, and therefore I will know when to start. Hello, welcome. Glad you're able to make it live. Glad you're able to make it right on time as well. Gives you the opportunity to settle in. More people are coming. So while you settle in, Caroline, and gather all the things that you need. Oh, hello, there's more. Hi, Lisa. Are you with child today or not? Hi, Kelly. Oh, wow. Thank you for coming, Kelly. Hope you enjoy. So like as you would if we were in a classroom together, but using the instruments that you have at home, grab 2 cushions from your sofa if you're lying on the floor and place a cushion underneath one knee and a cushion underneath the other knee. Oh no, just me, no baby today. Brilliant in one way. And also grab a pillow from your bedroom and place the pillow underneath your head, but just roll up the bottom edges so that you've got a wedge of support underneath your neck. This also allows your focus and your concentration to come inside your body. And if you've got quite a curve in your thoracic spine, you also may want to just tuck the top 2 corners of your pillows in so that you're forming a triangle shape at the top of your pillow, and this stops your chin sticking out and looking up towards the ceiling. It allows your chin to come down so your concentration and your focus comes down inside your body as well. And for those of you that are ready, begin by closing your eyes. Closing your eyes. And with your eyes closed, I shall prepare the scene in which this Yoga Nidra is about, which is the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the body's sewage system. It maintains the fluid that comes in from the blood vessels, and it's responsible for the functionality of the immune system, keeping the immune system healthy and strong. Our lymph nodes monitor the flow of the lymph entering them, whereby the cells are produced, as well as the antibodies which we need to fight infection and disease. The lymph also plays an important role in absorbing the fats within our intestines. For this system to function as well as it can, we also need the assistance of the happy hormones, such as serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. As mentioned in the previous video. So in your own time you can go back and watch those. Watch the last one. So for now, I would like you to engage in a body scan so that your body can be as comfortable as it possibly can be, as that's very important for Yoga Nidra, simply because we minimize the amount of movement that we engage in. So with your eyes closed, I would like you to check and ask yourself internally, is my head comfortable? Is my neck comfortable? My shoulders? My arms? Do I prefer one hand to be on my tummy and the next on my chest? Do I prefer both my hands to be on my stomach? Or do I prefer the traditional pose because I feel completely safe and secure at home? The traditional pose of having my arms down by my side with my palms facing up. And then check your spine as you go through this process of body scanning. Is my back comfortable? And if your lower back feels a little tight, a little scrunched up, just curl your tailbone up towards the front of your body and then lower your lower back out and your pelvis down by uncurling. And then check your hips, your groin, your thighs. Please uncross your legs and allow your legs to come out and down into a V shape. Having your right foot go out to your right side and your left foot to go out to the other side. And the reason it's important for our bodies to be as comfortable as it can be for Yoga Nidra is because we do not stretch to get rid of any discomfort, and we do not move to distract our minds. And by doing so, we strengthen our concentration, we improve our patience and our wisdom of impermanence and other phenomena. So now I would like you to bring your mind inside your body. You might want to go through all the layers of your skin until you come inside. You might want to place your awareness at the top of your chest and step into your body through your heart. Or bring your awareness to the top of your head and step into your body through your crown chakra. But place your focus, your concentration, your mind inside your body. Until you slide all the way down into your right hand. So your focus is on your right hand wrist. Your right hand wrist. And then slide your focus down into your left hand wrist. Your left hand wrist. Your right elbow, and all the lymph nodes here, and your left elbow, and all the lymph nodes there. Your right armpit, where plenty of them gather. Your left armpit. Your right shoulder at the top, the front of your shoulder. Your left shoulder, around and on top at the front of your left shoulder. And then bring your awareness to the sides of your neck, your throat, where the spidergram of your lymph nodes live, sit, created and are born. Up into your neck, down into the back of your throat. And then bring your awareness into your right side of your chest. And then the left side of your chest. And again, imagine a spider web going out to all the corners of your chest. And then bring your awareness to the center, just below your collarbone, your thymus. That plays a huge part of your lymphatic system. You may wish to swallow and then slide your attention down your sternum into and under your right rib cage, into and under your left rib cage, the top of your belly, past your navel and into your lower belly, and then over to the inside of your right groin, and over and into the inside of your left groin. Both inner thighs are hugely responsible for your lymphatic system. And let's go to the ends and slide our awareness into our right knee. And into your left knee. Your right foot. Your left foot. And now picture the lymph nodes in your right ankle, in both your ankles, and the liquid that lies within them. And imagine that solidity that they may have, may not have, but imagine them moving. Imagine that fluid moving. Imagine that fluid rippling and forming waves, pools of water, bubbling, rippling and waving, like the waters of the sea coming in, into tide, going out from the shore. As that water comes in, it goes further up your body, up into your knees, your right knee, your left knee, all the way up into your inner thigh, your right thigh, your left thigh, bathing pure spring, cleansing waters, bathing pure cleansing waters, all the way around your groin, your hips, your thighs, into your pelvis and your lower back, up into your liver, into your gallbladder. Up into your belly, into your belly, into your right armpit, and your left armpit. Allow the spring of pure cleansing water to go all the way into your throat, into your neck, cleansing the lymph around your ear, into your head. Allow any stagnation to come down into the exit point, to your collarbone, into your thymus. Allowing your arms to drain too, into your neck, into your thymus. Allowing the sewage of your whole body to drain into your neck, between your collarbone and into your thymus. Until in their own time the waves settle, until in their own time the waves, the water, the water system inside your body from waves becomes ripples, and from ripples it becomes still, until in your own time, in their own time, the waves of your body becomes still. And the wind inside your body becomes so slow, so invisible, allowing the waves to become still. And that which makes up your consciousness becomes aware of the earth element inside your body, the heaviness of your pelvis, the weight of your pelvis, the weight of your right bum cheek, your left bum cheek, your right sitting bone and your left sitting bone, your right hip and your left hip, as you become completely aware of the opening of your hips, the presence of your hips, the weight of your hips, the element of earth as weight of the whole of the back of your body, the whole of the back of your body, going into your lower back, your middle back, your upper back, the backs of your arms weighted, and the back of your head. And as you give thanks to all the elements that make up your body, water, air, earth, we now end with the element of fire. Bringing our attention to the middle of our body, between our stomach and the very bottom of our breastbone. Fire, that which allows us to move, that which allows us to create, that which gives us the motivation and the encouragement to be a doer. So allow that fire to be ignited by simply moving one finger, and then one finger on your other hand, and then your second fingers, and then all your fingers together. Allow that same ignition to light your toes. So you move one toe and allow your reflex to move toes on your other foot, and then moving all toes and bringing coordination, moving all fingers as well as toes. And then bending at your knees at the same time. You slide your knees towards your head, allowing your feet to come in to your pelvis, allowing the soles of your right foot and left to have direct contact with the surface, And be aware of your big toes now and the surface they are touching. And then your second toes, your third toes, fourth and fifth. Be aware of the sensation of the balls of your toes, the balls of your feet, and the whole of the outside edge of your feet, and the contact they have with the surface upon which they rest. And now the very heels of your feet, the heel of your right foot, the heel of your left foot. Contact, contact, touch, without judgment of any part of your body. Now breathe. A big, big breath in. A big, big breath out. Now breathe. Turning the heels out, you can allow your knees to come in and touch. And now breathe again and again. For this session of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you very, very much for coming. Hopefully I shall see you tomorrow here at 4. Alternatively, I will be here on Wednesday at 7:30. If you would like to RSVP and donate, then feel free to do so, but it's not compulsory. You can do so at eventbrite.co.uk. You'll see a picture of me and a bald head. I also like you to know that the in-person work that I do, which would normally be a 2.5 hour event of Yoga Nidra and Soundscape, will still be going ahead this month, but it will be going ahead virtually, and we shall be using Zoom, so it won't be public, it is private, and therefore it is a paid event, and it will be taking place on the 26th of April. And you can also get your ticket for that at eventbrite.co.uk. Thank you very, very much for coming, Lisa, Kelly, Caroline, and for all those that watch. I can't see any more names, I'm afraid, I just tried. And for all those that watch on replay, thank you for watching it on replay. And lastly, I opened up a virtual cafe, a virtual team room that takes place on the full moon and the first and the last quarters of the month. So feel free to book for that, which is also just by donation at eventbrite.co.uk. And yeah, that's a really, really pleasant, beautiful thing to take the edge off self-isolation, and it takes the edge off social distancing as well. So for those of you that are Instagrammers, you can head over to Instagram right now, where I will be in 1 minute's time to receive another live Yoga Nidra Soundscape. Thank you. Goodbye.